Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 129 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Rimmel London Scandaleyes 24-hour eyeshadow stick. And I have this here in the shade Blamed Blue. And I found this at my Dollar Tree, so this only cost $1. And they had so many of these at my Dollar Tree, all in this same Blamed Blue color. This does claim to be waterproof though. It looks like it's a pretty color, so I'm excited to try it out. I've been really liking eyeshadow sticks lately because to me they're just so much easier to work with. You don't need a huge palette and all these brushes. There's no fallout. So I just feel like they're so much quicker and easier to use. So sometimes that's better. I'm trying to figure out if you twist this up, but it definitely doesn't seem to twist. So I think it's the kind that you sharpen. All right, so let's see how this writes. Oh my gosh. So it's a bit more teal than I expected. So it's lighter than it looks kind of in the packaging, but it glides on so nicely. This color is really pretty. It's very pigmented and it does seem to have a slight metallic finish to it. So I think that there is a lot that you can do with this eyeshadow pencil. You can use it as an eyeliner on the top or bottom. You can also use it to fill in your entire eyelid. I'm going to start out by just doing a line on my upper lid. All right, there we have it. I love how this looks. It's just a really easy, but still somewhat bold pop of color look. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my entire eyelid. All right, I just want to go in and clean up the corner a little bit, but I don't even have to clean up the edge at all. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling amazed by how beautiful and bright and pigmented this is. And this pencil was able to draw such a smooth, like perfect line that I got such a smooth outline to this eyelid look that this would actually work really nicely for doing that cut crease look. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm definitely going to have to try this for a cut crease. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make a video on that. And it's staying in place perfectly. It's not smudging at all. It's not creasing. I love it. I did not expect to love it this much, but all right, let's go ahead and line my lower lash line. I love it. It looks amazing. It's so pretty. I love this as a pop of color eyeliner because the formula is very pigmented and it's waterproof, so it's actually going to stay there. This look is so fun. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my other eye and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay. Now that I have this super bold blue eye look, I have to say I love this. I really did not expect to love it, but it's so easy to work with, but the color is gorgeous. The pigment is amazing, and I love the metallic finish to this because I do love metallic makeup. I am so amazed that it's not creasing or gathering in any of the wrinkles on my eyelids, which I have a lot of. And it doesn't even feel like I have eyeshadow on. So when I touch it, it barely comes off. I have a tint of blue on my finger, but I thought it was gonna feel like it was still wet and get all over my finger, but no, it's definitely gonna stay in place. I feel like this is going to be perfect to incorporate into so many different looks, and I'm so excited to continue to use this and try it out. If you've tried this, let me know what ways you've used it as an eyeliner, cut crease, incorporated with different eyeshadow looks. I'd love to know about it. I'm so happy that I found another really great dollar store makeup product. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.